What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be attempting, and you heard me, attempting, I didn't say do, because I have not done any research on this. This one's going to be all from just me thinking of ways to do things. Trying to get more room in this car here. The seat is as far back as it can go. And I just need to get a couple more inches in here to get where I need to be. That's all I need. So I think this will help big time. I got to get under here and get the bolts loose. Let me show you how they look. I get that bolt off, one in the back, two on the other side, and once I get this seat out, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm thinking about doing to get a little bit more room. Stay tuned. The seat is out. Let me show you guys what I did and what I'm gonna do. I bought a piece of 3-foot flat metal. Let me see the name of it. See if we can get it right. Welding steel flat. It's 3 foot. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna place it over the hose as such. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bolt up with these, the regular holes, and then I'm gonna make new holes for where the seat originally went. And in those new holes will be the spacing for the inches that I need. So, like I said, this is just an idea, guys. I think it's going to be a good way to get it done, and let's see if it works. All right, guys. Only reason I'm showing you my face right now, my brother got on to me last video for not having my safety gear on. Usually I don't let my brothers or sister get on to me about anything. But I told him I had my safety stuff on. He just didn't see it, but I didn't have my gloves on. So I got on my safety glasses, got my gloves, and I'm about to start cutting this metal. And I just throwing a little dig at him. But let me show you what I'm be. I got this saw the other day from Facebook Market. And I bought this one and another saw, which you'll be seeing in other videos, for $60. So it was $30 a piece. And I already had the battery, so that made it even better. I've already marked this in half. What I'm gonna do is cut it till I get to a certain point, flip it, and then finish it up. And I'm gonna show you guys. I got a feeling that this is gonna work. This is something that, you know, if you're a big guy, you know, 6'3" and up, and you need to add a couple more inches in your car, this is, to me, a good way to do it. All right, let's get it done. all done. All right, the brackets are on. I don't know what's going on with this one. Like it's a little off, like it's a little, like the hole didn't line up. Not sure what's going on with it, but we still gonna put it in, see how it looks, see how it feels. And it could just be the way the seat sits in the thing, I don't know. But it's time to get it in, guys, and see if it gives me the inches I need. Alright guys, I had to change of plans on this build. I had to take the brackets off the seat and bolt them down first. The reason I had to do that because I have to get a little bit of pressure on here to get this little short screw on, as you can see over there too. So it has a little slight bend to it because it's tightened down. So what I got to do is tighten these down, then put the seat on. And since these bolts are a little bit more better to get to, that's the way I have to do it. So let me get these tightened down and get the seat on, guys. I want to show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, this is it. I don't know if you can tell, I got a lot of sun here, how far the handle is back. But I have this all the way back. And as you can see, that flat metal is down. And the seat is on top. And it gave me, at first, my knee was like right on the seat. Well, sweating a little bit, guys. At first, my knee was right on the seat. Now, I'm a good 4 inches away from first, my knee was right on the dash. Now I have about good 3 inches away from the dash. It's hard for me to get in there and show you guys that. But when I tell you night and day from what I had before, I mean, I can sit in there like I'm in a recliner at home right now. I'll say if anybody's having this problem, being a big guy, 6'2" and above, I'm 6'4" on a good day, 6'3". I would say try this out. You know, what can it can't hurt anything. All it could do is help. Thank you guys for watching. Man, it's hot out here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you on the next one.